Here. Today we're going to be building a custom PC so that I can play racing video games and sit in this corner in my basement and have fun. Today, this is everything that I have. It was one night free Amazon delivery because Amazon Prime is the best. Anyways, let's get into what I bought. I have a 27-inch curved screen, 144 Hz refresh rate, so that's pretty fast. I got the GeForce GTX 1660 Super by MSI for my graphics card. Over here we have 16 gigabytes of Vengeance RAM, which is fine, 3200 megahertz. I have a Western Digital solid state drive as a boot up drive, and then in this box back here is 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive as my storage device. For the motherboard, we have the B450M Steel Legend motherboard because that's just what works with my CPU. My CPU is over here. It's the Ryzen 5 2600, which should be fun and should be fast enough. Again, I don't know anything about PCs or building PCs, so this sounds fun and cool, and it'll come together. And then I have all these nice little cable extensions for cable management and to make everything look nice on the inside of the case. And speaking of cases, this is the Thermaltake V200 mid-tower with tempered glass on the side, which looks really nice. Cable management's great. Popped it open, I already looked at that. It came bent. There was a lot of bends and I didn't love that, but it was $60, so can't complain. And then down there we have the Cooler Master Watt 650 80 plus bronze gold rating, which should be good. And yeah, let's just hop into the build. First though, gotta take out the motherboard. Perfect. Now, first thing I gotta do is I gotta get out my Ryzen 5 2600 processor. Man, that is a lot heavier than I actually thought it was gonna be. Little arrow is right there. I'll pinch it down. Boom. Now we have a CPU. Perfect. So first I have to find A2 and B2, which are these two right there. Perfect. So we're just going to line up the slots as such. Boom. There we go. There's our first bit of RAM. Okay. RAM slot number 2. Boom. That's in. Perfect. I should probably unscrew these little mounting ports. Perfect. Oh, it's because it goes that way, because it's unproportionally stupid. Got it. These bad boys don't like that sound at all, but it's because it's on screws. That one is also good. That feels pretty sturdy all the way around, which I'm gonna assume means it's good. This bad boy, if I do it right, needs to plug in right there. Perfect. That's plugged in. I'm gonna say right now that watching all these videos has done me almost no good, because actually putting my hands on this has been nothing like how I thought it was gonna be. Awesome. Alright guys, RAM has been installed and we're ready to go. Perfect. Now, the next step is getting this bad boy into the case. Perfect. Take a look at this bad boy. This here is the Thermaltake V200 TG for tempered glass. Perfect. The tempered glass up and away. Awesome. The case. It's where everything's going. The motherboard standoffs have already been installed, but I have to put the I/O shield in. Motherboard installation. So I am gonna get all of these motherboard screws. Which ones are these ones? There's too many screws. It's screwing with my head. Get it? How am I ever supposed to know which ones go where? There's like a million screws over here. 7, 8, 10. I need 10. That's a lot. 9 and 10. I'm not gonna throw that in my hand because actually I do. Okay, I'm gonna grab this by the cooler. At Donald Trump joke. Oh my gosh. That is so close to being a problem, but it's not, so don't worry. Now I gotta put all the screws in. I think that's 4. Sure, we'll say 4. Don't fall, don't fall. Alright, you guys see all that? It stayed. We're good. I am not a professional PC builder. I'm gonna make that a disclaimer. However, this is already going better than The Verge's PC build. Okay, well I have a whole bunch of extra screws here, eh? I don't know if that's a good thing. Probably not. Okay, anyways. Okay, what's the next thing I need to do? After I've installed the power supply. Well, is it the power supply? Yeah, so the screws that I need aren't actually in here. Solid state. This thing's tiny. How is this like so fast and so much better than this like bulky machine of a computer? I'll tell you what, dropping black screws in a black case is not good. Building my first ever gaming PC. Perfect. Power supply. Power supply is next. Got a whole buttload of screws over here. I don't know where anything goes. Got some standoffs, got other screws, and I'm mixing the other screws with the freaking other screws. And here we go. This is going to be the most confusing part for me because I'm kind of an idiot. And when it comes to doing things that require a lot of brain power, or even a little bit, those aren't my forte, you know? Okay, how does this plug in? 2 plus 6 is 8. Boom! First cable's in. We're already on our way to greatness. Like nothing can go wrong from here. This, which I believe plugs into here. Goodness, this is like professional cable management right here. It'll turn on. Whether it'll boot up, that's the question we need to be asking. Oh, where did that go? Awesome! I haven't broken anything yet. This case came broken, okay? And I think the power supply isn't going in because they bent the bottom in shipping. Perfect. Alright, now I've gone ahead and installed one hard drive and one solid state drive in the back. I have my power supply in now, which was giving me a bunch of problems because whoever shipped this case freaking indented the crap out of it, and I had to muscle everything back together with what little strength and will to live I have. And now I am wiring little things to the motherboard, then the big kahunas, and then we're good to go. We'll plug in the graphics card, peel away the plastics, and we're Gucci. I'm gonna come up closer just to read it real quick. USB 3. Yeah, that's the one. Boom. USB 3.0 front panel connector is in. I can't even tell you, I've watched endless amounts of YouTube videos. Not a single one of them has prepared me for a monstrosity as this, to this degree of monstrosity. This bad boy says USB, and this bad boy says HD audio. Okay, I found HD audio 1. I found it. What other one was I gonna put in? USB. That one. There's 2 of them. Would you look at this? Would you look at it? Okay. One push. We got USB. We got HD audio. Woohoo! Awesome. That's perfect. That's beautiful. Would you look at this? Boom. Okay. That's out of the way, at least for now, as much as I can get it to be. I have to figure out which ones go where. This is what I'm working with as far as installation instructions. Perfect. Okay, so which one was the reset switch? I already forgot. How am I ever supposed to know? I think text goes up. No. Text go down? No. I've tried all 4 ways. They don't go in. Oh, okay, I got it. I just had to give it more power than what I was honestly, like, initially comfortable with. Awesome! Guys, I think I did it. What else do I need? Okay. Alright, so the 24 pin is right there, right next to the RAM. I don't know how much you guys can see, but right there, which tells me, Devin. Yes, Devin? You have to go
you just called everybody your name.
Oh! Oh! I don't have a name. My parents didn't love me. No, I'm kidding. My parents do love me. I live in my dad's basement. Entrepreneur. It's not living in your dad's basement if you pay rent. So, we're going to bend the 24 pin and slide it where it's keyed. Did I put it in backwards? Which way is it keyed? Oh, Mother Teresa. Boom. Okay. Next thing we gotta do is the graphics card. Boom. Look at this thing. This right here is the GeForce GTX. Stop eating everything! My cat is a monster. Stop it! I just hit you for that reason. Goodness. This is the GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Here it is in all of its glory. It's beautiful. Gotta take off the dust protector. Good. Perfect. Get rid of all these boxes. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in without freaking breaking anything. And we're plugging it in to this top slot. Of course, that's in the way. I took off the wrong one. One sec. Oh no, the motherboard is in the way of me bending that. Can I bend it forward? Oh, I can snap it off just like this. Come on. I'm just gonna bend that. Okay, good enough. Oh, let's install it finally. That goes down here. That's there. Everything's lined up. Push it in. Are we good? I think we're good. I think that is a graphics card installed. Alright, that's about as good as that's gonna get. Awesome. And I do have to give a lot of credit to PC builders out there because I had no clue at all the mental capacity you have to have when assembling a PC. Because this is insane. Zip ties are my friend. Tuck you up behind this to make it easier. Easier on me. Alright, alright, alright. You know I'm tired if I'm doing Matthew McConaughey impersonations. You know that something's definitely not alright, alright, alright. Sometimes you shoot for greatness and settle for just okayness. Because honestly, some of this is just not going to be manageable. Random freaking SATA drives everywhere. This is what I was able to come up with as far as cable management goes. I'm just now realizing I forgot to put this on. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, what's going on the outside? We are going to get that back in place. Because if there's one thing I'm not gonna do, is I'm not gonna settle. Anything left. But I found it. Don't worry, it's right here. Side panel. That was my side panel summoning dance. Now, oh boy. Okay. That's the side panel. Here we go. The grand reveal. The huzzah. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. If I'm being honest. From a beginner's perspective, that looks pretty good. Now, I don't own a fire extinguisher, so if all goes bad, you're gonna witness me burning my house down. Here we go. Oh. Ladies and gents, We have a PC. The PC is on. The PC is on. I have nothing on the monitor. Okay. The PC turns on. I don't know if the monitor just shut itself off or not though. Push power. Let's see. Let me give it another go. Scepter. DP. ASRock. We're getting the BIOS? Did I do it? Press F2 delete to run setup. Reboot and select proper. Guys, we posted! We posted! We got a post to the screen!